Hi guys, thank you all for tuning in. I haven't done one of these little sit-down luxury handbag videos for a while now, and I would like to share with you my latest acquisition, which I felt like was such a dark horse for Louis Vuitton. If you can hear the wind and the rain flustering in the background, I'm so sorry, it is just one of those UK autumnal weather. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys details of the bag, my rationale behind it, what I like, and just general thoughts and first impressions of the bag, as well as mod shots for your reference. If you're new here, my name is Ida. Hi. I make videos about luxury handbags, lifestyle vlogs, and basically anything in between. So if that is something that you're interested in, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. Now with no further ado, let me introduce to you my new Louis Vuitton Marelle bag. Ta-da! This is the new 2021 version of the Louis Vuitton Marelle bag. I believe it was launched in May 2021, so it's just about a season old. I'll insert a picture of the old classic monogram Marelle on the screen now. There weren't any huge launch or influencer campaign around it, unlike the multi-pochette nor the capucine. And it wasn't one of those it bags that basically took the whole fashion industry by storm, like the Palm Springs Mini either. I just kind of feel like they just kind of uploaded a newer version of the bag on one random day. I don't know, at least I wasn't aware of it until early September, so I'm pretty late to the game. How about you guys? Have you heard of the Marelle? Did your essay introduce it to you? Let me know in the comments below. There weren't a lot of YouTube videos about it either, though it was quite a hit on a Chinese social media platform, and that was when I first laid my eyes on it. Basically fell in love and had to have it. I got this Marelle through a personal shopper from Hong Kong at Fly & Styling. I had some credits with them, so I thought I'd ask for their help, though I believe it is readily available online. It currently retails for £1,520 on the Louis Vuitton UK website, and it is available in honey gold, quartz, and black, of which each color features a different canvas pouch. The honey gold one is paired with a classic monogram. Quartz is paired with a reverse monogram, and mine, obviously being the black one, is paired with a black and white canvas pouch. Just reading off from the poetically written Louis Vuitton website description, the Marelle bag is fashioned from a grained epi leather with a detachable canvas pouch that sits in an outside pocket and is attached to the bag with a chain. The Marelle can be carried by hand, elbow, or shoulder with its detachable top handle, or worn as a crossbody bag thanks to its removable and adjustable leather strap. So let me give you guys a close-up. This is the little detachable pouch. You can just slot it out and unhook it from the bag. And this is the black and white canvas pouch. The chain is relatively weighty, which is nice, and you can kind of just hook it together and have it as a wristlet. I really like the little details of the D-ring, as well as the zipper, and inside it's of a black microfiber, I think. And this is the little material care card, if you will. So, and this is the model number or whatnot. Otherwise, this bag measures 25 centimeters across, 15 centimeters in height, and approximately 8 centimeters in depth. So as you can see, the exterior is of a epi leather, but the strap itself is of a soft cowhide leather. So it is actually two different leather. I'm not sure why, maybe because it's a bit challenging, or not, it would be a little bit stiffer if the strap is made of epi leather. This bag features silver hardware, and as you unzip the bag, it has a beautiful pink microfiber lining inside, which is also my favorite combination out of the three. And then you will see the shoulder strap. This is just like the capucine, a very underwhelming shoulder strap. It is also made out of soft cowhide leather, so not epi leather. And you can see there are multiple adjustments that you can use. I mean, the hardware is beautiful, very nice and chunky. I just don't really see myself using it, although it is nice to have. It is not the look that I want out of this bag. I will most likely never use it. And of course then, this is the top handle strap or shoulder strap. It has Louis Vuitton embossed in here. Again, removable, detachable, and it just sits so nicely under the arm. I think if you're into handbags, the closest comparison would be the Prada Nylon Re-Edition. I don't have that bag with me in the UK now, but I loved that bag because it is so casual. It actually holds a lot, weatherproof, and it just kind of like goes along with all of my outfits. So this is definitely an upgrade with the beautiful leather and the little extra canvas pouch as well. So what really drew me into this bag is I've always lusted over the Louis Vuitton Steven Sprouse 2001 collection, specifically the black and white Alma. So cool, so bold, yet super rare in the vintage market. Yet, to be honest, if it is available in the vintage market, I don't see it ever being in my collection. I love it as an art piece. I just don't see me wearing in a day-to-day basis, if that makes sense. So when I saw the Marelle, I love the black and white monogram. I love that you can remove it and like have it a little bit more subtle. I just feel like the black and white monogram is so special. Monochromatic monogram are quite hard to come by. It is not something that Louis Vuitton always do. I don't know why, but like the white Tiagra card holders, the black graphite line are all from the men's line. So when I first saw this, I just feel like the black and white monogram represents my style and is special enough. Like I said, I love how chunky the chain is, so you can hook it up to use it separately to put your coins in or to put your cards in. I like this big kind of like zipper detail. But something to note, you can't put like a card holder in. So this is just like my normal Goyard card holder. It won't fit inside. However, you can put individual cards in. So for example, you can just kind of slot this in and it's good to go. So you can slot it in and it kind of pops here and it has a little perforated or laser cut Louis Vuitton logo here. Or you can take it out, remove it entirely, and to have your bag a little bit more subtle. Epi leather, as we all know, is a Louis Vuitton classic. This is my very first epi leather bag, so I'm very interested to experience its wear and tear. Though a lot of nice vintage, like Noes and stuff, are all in epi leather. So I feel like it can hold its structure very well, and so hopefully it can stand the test of time. But again, I want to point out the straps, the shoulder strap and the crossbody strap available are all in a softer, much softer cowhide leather with a canvas trim. I really wonder why. Maybe because it is much stiffer and harder to make it in a strap. I don't know. But again, it is unlikely for me to use this shoulder strap. But I think it would be nice to keep it inside your bag if you're not holding too much, just in case you want to be hands-free. Because one thing I've noticed is this strap, when you're wearing like layers of coats during winter, it is not the easiest to carry with like layers of coats. But obviously it's very handy during the summer, so I guess it would be nice to keep it inside in case, you know, you want to wear it as a crossbody. I love the pink microfiber lining interior. I just think this is the best combination out of the three, because the three, like the honey gold one and the quartz one, comes in different lining. I don't remember exactly what color, but this is definitely my favorite combination. And there's like a bigger pocket inside where you can slot more important things. I know that Samorga is making a bag insert for the Marelle, so it is something that I'm looking into acquiring as well, just to protect the microfiber in case, I don't know, a pen spilled inside. And for the price, for a Louis Vuitton all leather bag, I think it is definitely justifiable. So I just grabbed some of my other bags for size comparison. This is my multi-pochette. It is quite similar in width. Obviously in depth then, you can definitely fit like bigger items inside. And this is my Louis Vuitton Tolietry 19, which is unfortunately discontinued, but width-wise. And then depth. And comparing with the 26 Tolietry pouch, it is a little bit wider, but I think it is just 1 centimeter bigger. I think I'll show you guys what fits inside the Marelle as well. So like I said, it's likely that I will put the straps inside just in case, especially when we're coming into autumn and winter with coats and layers of jackets or whatever. It's nice to have that option with me. I'm gonna put that inside. My little wallet, I don't really use this. Normally I just use a card holder. Like I said, it will not fit in this pouch, but you can remove your cards and place it inside if that's what you like. AirPods, lip balm, hand cream, hand sanitizer, passport, I guess, for any form of identification. I can definitely put my glasses in. So as you can see, actually, it is quite full. If you have like a bunch of keys, you can definitely just throw it in. But I think that is definitely it. It zips up very nicely. And like so. I'll definitely insert some mod shots for your reference. I am approximately 155 centimeters tall on a good day, so I'm definitely more in the petite side. I'm actually super excited to use this bag over the weekend. These shoulder bags are just so timeless and versatile for a casual look. I love the details you can add to the bag or remove, and what can be a very understated bag. So you have the logo here. If that's too much as well, just turn it around and you have a classic plain shoulder bag. This is definitely the very last bag of this year, if not the next, though I'm looking into having a white bridal bag for my wedding and or like a yellow one for the summer, but let's not get too carried away. It is getting really dark out and it's not even noon yet, so I better wrap this video up. Let me know what you guys think of the bag. Do you like it? What color would you have picked? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'll be sharing with you more of my styling on my Instagram, so if you're looking for some inspiration, don't forget to head over there and say hi. Otherwise, I'm going to wrap up today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye!